each of the terms by 10xy. So here we are going to have 10xy multiplied by 1 over 10 equals to 10xy multiplied by 1 over x plus 10xy multiplied by 1 over y. So you can see that we have here 10 go with 10, xy multiplied by 1, we are going to have xy equals to, here x go with x, we have 10y multiplied by 1, which is 10y, then plus, here y go with y, 10x multiplied by 1 is 10x. So from there, we can carry all of these terms to the other side. So we have our xy. This 10y and 10x, all of them are positive. We take them to the other side. All of them are going to change to negative. So we are going to have minus 10y minus 10y minus 10x. Then you add 100 equals to 0 here. When you add 100, you are going to have 100. So now you can factorize the left-hand side. Here, between this term and this term, y is common. So you factor out y into, here remain x, then minus, here y outside remain 10. Then minus this negative, 10 and 100, 10 is common because 10 can go into 100. So you factor out 10 into, here remain x. Then this is positive, but because you are having negative outside, then you are going to have negative inside, because negative will give you positive. Then now 10 into 100 is going to give you 10 equals to 100. As you can see, the two brackets are the same. This bracket and this bracket are the same. So you take one, you ignore the other one. So we are going to have x minus 10. Then those outside the bracket, you merge them in one bracket. We have y and minus 10. So y and minus 10 then equals to 100. Now, this 100 has many factors. So x minus 10 into y minus 10 can be, this 100, it can be 1 multiplied by 100, and it can be 2 multiplied by 50, and it can be 4 multiplied by 25. It can be 5 multiplied by 20. It can be 10 multiplied by 10. So here, it can be 1 multiplied by 100, or 100 multiplied by 1, or 50 multiplied by 2 instead of 2 by 50. 4 by 25 is the same thing as 25 by 4, or 20 by 5, or this is the same thing as 10 by 10. So now we are going to compare. When we have here x minus 10 into y minus 10, in the first case, case 1, it is going to be 1 multiplied by 100. So you see, it can be this bracket equals to this, and the second one equals to this. Or the second one equals to 1, the first one equals to 100, because multiplication is commutative. So let us say x minus 10, this one is the same thing as 1. So from here, you can clearly see that when you take minus 10 to the other side, it becomes plus 10. So x is equals to 11. Then the second bracket, which is y minus 10, equals to the second bracket here, which is 100. So it means when you take 10 to the other side, it becomes positive. Then you are going to have 100 plus 10. So y is equals to 110. So this is the first set of solutions. X is 11, y is 110. Or, because I told you multiplication is commutative, it could be x is 110, y to be 11. If you take the other case. So we can call this one case 1. So now for case 2, look at it now. Case 2 is 2 by 50. 2 by 50 is going to give us 100 also. So we are going to have the first bracket equals to 2, the second bracket equals to 50. So we are going to have x minus 10 to be equals to 2 and y minus 10 to be equals to 50. So from here, you see x is 12 if you take 10 to the other side. And from here, y is equals to, when you take 10 to the other side, y will be what? 60, because 10 is negative. You take it to the other side, it becomes positive. So this is another case, another set of solutions. Or it can be x 60, y 12, because I told you multiplication is commutative. So it could be x equals to 60, y equals to 12. This is for the second case. Now, in case 3, we are going to have 4 multiplied by 25. So the first bracket is 4, the second bracket is 25. Or the first one to be 25, the second one to be 4. Everything is the same thing. So we are going to have x minus 10, the first bracket here, this one to be equals to 4. And the second bracket, that is y minus 10 to be equals to 25. So from here, when you take 10 to the other side, x is 14. And from here, when you take 10 to the other side, y is 35. So this is the set of solutions for case 3. Or vice versa, it can be x equals to 35 and y equals to 14. Now, in case 4, we are going to have 5 and 20. So first bracket, x minus 10 to be equals to 5 and y minus 10 to be equals to 20. So from here, x equals to, when you take 10 to the other side, x is going to be 15. And from here, y is going to be 30 when you take 10 to the other side. This is the set of solutions for case number 4. And you can change it to be x as 30, y to be 15, vice versa. Then in the last case, which is case 5, the first bracket is 10, the second bracket is also 10. So we are going to have x minus 10 to be equals to 10, y minus 10 to be equals to 10. So from here, x is equals to 20 and y is also equals to 20. So this is the set of solution for case number 5. So these are the set of solutions for this problem. Thank you. This question is very simple. We are asked to find all the possible